This is unique. In all of Cook County, that includes all the city of Chicago, all the years it's been there, there's only 2 documented Revolutionary War veterans buried, and both are buried here in the Elk Grove Cemetery. The history behind this location speaks for itself, and today we're so proud to be here to rededicate it. This is done through the partnership of people in Elk Grove that have done well in Elk Grove, that made Elk Grove Business Park, from civic groups, from the Revolutionary War veterans, families, and from local people. And we're very proud to be able to have this completed. And as we promised the residents of Elk Grove Village tax dollars, we're not using village tax dollars to do it. We raised the money for this project. And for them to step up and be good partners above and beyond that, not just doing their job, but going above and beyond,